A small quick introduction about myself. I am Miss Sahrish. I am a French educator and a curriculum developer. Currently, I am working as the head of department English in OESIS Vashi. Yes, I have traveled all the way from Vashi to Malad to attend this event. So you would come to know how much I was looking forward for this event. As a passion, I am also a dietitian and nutritionist, but the reason that I'm here standing is because I am a very proud alumni of ILA. Thank you so much, everybody. So I am a certified corporate trainer and I'm certified soft skills trainer through Indian Leadership Academy. And trust me, when Neha here was telling you about all the courses here, when at first I came to know about them, I was a bit skeptical. But when I got into it, the kind of personal touch and the kind of love that was given by the mentors personally at an individual level is what made me stick to ILA and is what made me travel here to attend this session.